Hi guys. Okay, let me check whether I'm on live or not. I should be. Alright. Hi Joseph. Alright. Hi Ayo. Alright, I'm live now. Alright, as usual, but today, sadly, alright, Stocks Thursday. Alright, so if you are a forex guy, I'm sorry. Okay, today is only stocks, yeah. Alright, hi Aaron. Okay, hi Jeff. Okay, let's do some stocks. Alright guys, alright, because you know I also have to be fair, alright. Today is a Stocks Thursday, and tomorrow there won't be recap Friday. The reason being because tomorrow we will be having our inner circle live for NFP trading. We will do a live trade for fun. So it's tomorrow. I will give time for my my inner cycle people. All right. So tomorrow I won't be live. All right. I won't be doing this live video. I will be doing other video for my own groups. All right. Anyway. All right. All right. Let's do some. Hey, Robert. FX no FX same, Robert. It's the same thing we do. Okay. We do the same thing over and over again. It's just that different pair or different counters only. All right. Okay. There are a few people ask me on United Engineer. All right, let's talk about United Engineer here. All right, so okay, currently, okay, this is the weekly time frame. Okay, the reason being I changed to weekly time frame because I mean to make me a little bit see clearly. All right, in my opinion, we have a little bit of a pullback in the making. Right, as you can see from here, we are almost in the bearish pin bar type in the forming. So what do I suggest now is that I do not suggest you to go long at this moment. All right. I mean stocks. I normally I don't talk about intraday in out. I don't talk. I'm not this kind of trader. I'm talking about daily or a little bit higher time frame trading. All right. So this stock. Sorry, this stock having bullish for quite some time. I mean, if you are watching it quite closely, you should be able to catch the move quick since some time. But for now, I will want you to a little bit careful now. All right, because I start to see they have a higher and higher chance of going back down to at least for currently is around 2.8, right? So they should able to go down to somewhere around 2.76. Sorry, 2.76 level. So do not long at this moment. All right, in my opinion, they have a very high chance of going back down. Okay, at least for next week. Okay, so we have a bearish pin bar showing up already. Of course, we still got tomorrow to go lah, right? But very likely that it will stay that way or even worse. Okay, and if let's say the bearish pin bar is followed by the next week more bearish bar, I tell you, is more reason for you to get out from your, more reason for you to stay out if you want to go long. Okay, all right. So that's for UE. I am no longer with Boo at the moment. All right, I can wait, right? Why not you wait? Unless you have a short facility, then you want to short. I have no say. All right, but if you want to be bullish, I suggest you wait. Okay, no point going against the flow at the moment. All right, the next one. All right, this is for UE. Okay, the next one is Ascendias. All right, Ascendias is also in a weekly time frame. Okay, what I want to show you is, okay, this is a weekly time frame, yeah, not daily, yeah. All right, you look at it here. You know what they are trying? They are trying to do nothing. This whole year, since 2015, they are just like yo-yo big time. So in my opinion, this is not a good kind of counter for you to trade. What does it mean? It means that like it will take you for a ride. You are high and you will be sad. The kind of thing. You got what I mean? It's not really a good counter for you to trade. Okay, if you ask me, okay, Joe, please, I'm in the position and stuff. Okay, I understand. Okay, where do I see? I will be very carefully on the bullish side already. I'm not really bullish anymore. Okay, I'm bearish. Okay, especially if we are talking about the price. Sorry, I don't know. I mean, I'm not so familiar with this software sometimes. Okay, it's somewhere around 2.48. Okay, 2.48 level is so-called, the price cannot go back above this level. I'm no longer that bullish. Okay, to me it can become quite bearish to me. Okay, you got to watch out, and I'm not really on the bullish side. And moreover, I don't like this kind of counter, because you know, as you can see, they are really going all over the place. All right, so I'm quite bearish on this Ascendias. Okay, slightly bearish lah. All right, okay. Okay, then move on to the next one. All right, it's good to have a plan, man. Even life also need to have a plan, man. Which stock I want to talk, this kind of thing. Plan. You have a plan better. All right. So another one is Wheelock's property. Okay, somehow this counter is pretty bullish. All right, as you can see from here, and I mean, if you are looking this kind of counter, in my opinion, you should be not looking at this moment. I mean, you should have seen it quite some time back already, because it's not under my radar, because I'm not really trading stock for this week. I'm really doing very well in forex, actually, if you those people that who know me. So I mean, I don't care about stock at the moment, man. All right, so anyway, so look at it here. Okay, so the price action are pretty bullish and stuff like that. So in my opinion, they can go a little bit higher. So it is, if you want to say, it is too early for you to short. Okay, do not short at this moment. All right, it's nothing wrong with not having a short at the top. Okay, because a lot of people get burned because they are trying to get the top, because the price keep on rolling up. Okay, in my opinion, the signs are not really showing yet. Okay, or even you can put it in a way that, okay, you have like a, because momentum is on your side, every pullback you try to add long. Okay, that should be even a better strategy for you. For example, as long as 1.60 level is somehow is holding, okay, or 1.6, maybe this one I'll move it up a little bit, 1.65 level, between 1.65 and 1.60 is holding, at least you look for a long. Okay, you got what I mean? So this gives you a better chance of winning. Remember, trading is all about taking a chance. Okay, if you worry about losing, don't trade. You worry about losing, you will lose also, because you see, if worry is too much for you already. You know what I mean? And you don't take a position, and you hesitate. You know, after sometime market move a lot, then you take a position, the market turn against you already. You know, no point. Okay, trading is about taking a chance. All right. So in my opinion, I mean, more bullish chance stay there lah, right? As simple as it is. So that's it with Wheelocks. All right. Then let me see on another one. All right. Okay, Singtel. All right, Singtel is recently got pretty bullish. I know they have a pretty nice run up and stuff like that. Okay, let me go to the weekly time frame, because it made me see clearly. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, currently what happened to Singtel? Okay, what happened to Singtel is that they are sort of hitting a pretty nice overhead resistance level. All right, so which is this one, around $3.90. So they are kind of like moving back. So in my opinion, they can go down a little bit further down some more. All right, so for being a bullish trader, if you are bullish, okay, in my opinion, what you can do is that you can wait a little bit longer. For example, this week is bearish candle, right? You wait, don't buy, right? Then most likely the next week will be bearish as well, because I'm seeing the what we call it, the bearish sign are stay in it, and possibly somewhere around 3.77. Okay, and they may have a possible bounce up. Then you should go for a long. Okay, by doing so, you see, instead of you long at like 3.84, you long at 3.77. You are, I mean, the gap between your entry and the stop loss will be also a tighter, right? I mean, if you want to talk about risk and reward point of view, I mean, your risk will be lesser, right? So currently do not long at the moment, because I see they can slide down a little bit further down. All right, so I will wait until the bullish momentum to show up, then I will ride along with it. All right. Okay, that's for Singtel. Okay. All right. We are doing quite fast. Then good. Sorry guys, today I want to gym. My head, my arm done tired already. My arm cannot move now. Anyway, okay. Okay. So now this is STI. All right. This is STI. I think last week I tell you guys about a little bit of a little bit bearishness of the STI last week. So far, in my opinion, I am not wrong yet. Okay, you can look back my old video because it's all there one. You know, I don't tell you like, oh, you know, guys, I long here, I take a profit here, then I make $100 million. Cannot ma? You believe or not? Cannot be, right? You know, that's why I like to make with the proof. You know, you got what I mean. Of course, there are times that I get wrong also. You know, I'm not a foolproof or, you know, June guy or whatever. Of course, I get right than wrong. I mean, more often in a way. All right. Nobody knows such thing as 100% accurate. If the person who tell you my system is 100% accurate, maybe you buy him a coffee because he need your money. Okay. All right. So never mind. Let's move on. Okay, so I am seeing a little bit of a bearishness over again, all right, and it's getting more and more obvious. And next week, we may see a little bit more slide down. Maybe we'll be following, all right. So I am thinking, now it's somewhere around 3040, 3043 level, right? I think somewhere around 3025 level is quite possible, okay. But nonetheless, market stay pretty much on the healthy so-called I would say high and higher low kind of uptrend move. Okay, so market is not entirely bearish yet, maybe just a small pullback. All right, anyway, instead of going long on tomorrow or early next week, maybe my suggestion is that maybe you may want to look out somewhere around 3023 level first. Okay, because there's a high possible the market will go back down first. You see, if you think of this way, because sometimes we so caught up with the technical point of view. Let's say just an apple, right? Let's say just the apple. You know that the apple is at least worth $1, right? Now its apple is $2, right? It's come back down. Are you going to buy or are you going to sell? You're going to wait until it's come to like $1 first, right? Something like that. All right. I mean, people are doing differently when it's come to trading. Okay, it's the same thing. You know, you buy a counter is something like you buy from NTUC. It's the same thing. All right. So in my opinion, STI stay slightly starting to bearish now, but it may not be an entire bear trend or whatever yet, but it's a pullback in the making. All right. So actually, I think about 3 weeks ago, I was telling you guys about being bullishness somewhere around here because I told that it will break this level, and it did. I think 4 weeks back. Okay. Anyway, now I'm starting to see slightly bearishness. Okay, may not be the downtrend. Okay, but slightly bearishness. All right. So watch out for it. And okay. I mean, since I'm live, I will do one more counter, all right? One more counter. After that, I want to rest that, guys. So tell me which counter you want me to check. I'm waiting. One more counter, guys. Please make it stocks. Because for our guys, Forex, tomorrow we have come to my meeting room, guys. So tomorrow we will meet again, anyway. So Forex, sorry, not tonight. Hi, Raymond. Okay, StarHub, good. At least somebody make a start. Okay, hang on, guys. Okay, all right. Okay, let me see. Okay. Okay. Good. No. Sorry. StarHub is already locked in already. Hey, Gina, the one we talk in our inner circle. You no need to ask here. Okay. So now, okay, StarHub is slightly bearish. Okay, if you feed this way. All right. Market is of course this is a weekly time frame. Yeah, market is coming back down. They try to swing back up, but in the end of last week, they stay within the high, so-called they even go lower than the opening, right? That's why they make a red candle, right? So in my opinion, it's pretty stay quite bearish. Okay. So what happened was that this week, let me tell you what really happened also. Okay. All right, what happened was that this week market tried to swing back down, and they are using this level, which is around 2.97 level as a support. Then they are now swinging right back. But in my opinion, looks like this week is not much strength is there. Okay, not much strength is there. So we got to watch out how that this week candle end. Okay, let's say this week candle is on a bullish candle or really a strong bullish candle, okay, we can see that no longer that bearish anymore. Okay, as long as the price stay below 3.8, I won't be so bullish because they still have more room to fall. Okay, now let's talk about how much room. Okay, how much room. All right, so okay, in my opinion, all right, hang on a minute. In my opinion, they can go to, like, for example, as low as 2.88 level. So which is, they can go back down to this level. All right. So this is, if you are short, this will be my supposed target. All right. And if you are short, at least the price have come back to $3. Okay, let's say $3.08, 9 cents to tell me that my short are no longer that valid. Okay, this is how you should trade, guys. All right. Okay. You see, you must have a so-called backup plan also. You cannot be like close your eye and short, right? Because George says so cannot be ma, right? So what I'm saying is that if you want to, what do you want me to suggest? If you ask me to suggest, I say go for a short. The level is what I just mentioned, 2.88 level. Okay, but let's say the price swing back right above 3.08. That means our setup is no longer that valid anymore. Okay, guys, so this is how you should trade. And of course, 2.8 doesn't mean that you need to take all your position with your you don't need to take profit all your position. You take some profit first, see whether the price action stays support support you or not. Can go lower, you know why? Because you see here, okay, let me give you one example, because example make people understand more. All right, you see, for example, okay, if we were here, okay, I will say that, okay, let's say we are somewhere around here. We say, okay, we are bearish because of the pin bar, whatever, blah, 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 right? Then I will tell you, okay, this level is like supposedly your TP location. And if you TP all your position just at this level, you will miss the whole, hang on. You will miss the whole rundown, Okay, you see, trading is about taking a chance. Okay, when you are in the right side of the market, try to take more chance. All right, just don't try to run away with whatever profit you have, because sometime or most of the time the profit will be too less. Okay, the market is running in your favor. Why not let it ride down, man, or let it ride up? Okay, so thank you. All right, thank you. Wow, today we got quite a lot of people showing up. Thank you. And tomorrow, sorry, no more no weekly forex, because I will be doing my own group live trading. We will have fun, man. Tomorrow we will, as if like buying Toto 40 like that. All right, so if you like my video, as usual, give me a thumbs up or give me a heart shape, guys. Later I will post it in our YouTube you guys know, so that you guys can watch it over and over again. All right, Eugene, so have a great evening, and I talk to you guys again. All right, bye for now.